Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily generate content titles, scripts, descriptions, keywords, thumbnails, and voiceovers with just one command using a free AI tool. This AI tool is still new and currently free to use. So let's get started. First, go to the vidIQ main page. You can use the link in the video description. Next, go to the AI tool menu and select the content generator. All you need to do is type in your idea for the content and click the Go button. In this video, I asked the vidIQ to generate content about how to use ChatGPT. The AI content generator will create a title for your video, a description of video, script, a voiceover, keywords or hashtags, and a thumbnail or background. You can easily copy the text and download the image and audio for free. Then you can execute your content to video using an A video generator such as A-Studio, Hygen, InVideo, or Canva. You can also use a free video from Pexels and edit it using CapCut Free Edition. If you don't know how to generate video using AI tools, you can watch my tutorial video. I've included all links in the video description.
Like a pro. Are you tired of awkward conversations and feeling like you're not getting your point across? Well, fear not. With ChatGPT, you'll learn how to chat like a pro in no time. First things first, always start with a greeting. Whether it's a hello or hi, it sets the tone for the conversation. Be careful with your tone. People can't see your face or hear your voice, so it's important to come across as friendly. Also, other person waiting for too long. If you can't chat right away, let them.
Now, what if you have no ideas for content? You can use vidIQ and I Coach feature to help you. Find ideas for your content. You have to register with vidIQ to use this feature, but it's also free to use. After you log in to your vidIQ account, go to the AI Coach page and type in your command. The AI Coach will give you some idea about content for the given keyword. You can then copy the generated title and idea and go back to the AI content generator to start generating new content. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to support me. Have a nice day and bye.